Ew.
Yeah. It's like, what is this?
Ew, you just spit it out?
Clearly he's not the Gerber baby because he doesn't like these.
Oh, yeah. Maybe it's better now.
You just made the face.
You want another? Get another one out. Go ahead. Another one. Got one? Oh, he does.
Just thinking about it, he's like making the face.
Should I?
A little skeptical this time.
Don't do it! No! Matthew!
Sure.
No, no!
Remember what Mommy showed you? She showed you how to throw it?
Remember, throw it on the floor.
He's like, God, I'm really hungry, but should I? Should I? Should I?
Down. Up.
Go ahead.
You can do it. Oh.
You want Cheerio instead?